Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 3 algebra, unit digit of numbers in exponential form. For any base number whose unit digits are 0, 1, 5 and 6, the unit digit of a number corresponding to any positive exponent remains unchanged. That is, if you take any number whose unit digits, that is ones place value of the number are either a 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, then the unit digit of the number with any positive exponents, that means the unit digits will remain unchanged. For example, consider 10 cube. Here the unit digit is 0 with the positive exponents plus 3. When we multiply this 10 into 10 into 10, we will get the product as 1000. Here also the unit place is 0. In the same way, if you take the next number 5 square can be written as 5 into 5 is 25. Here also the unit place is 1 and the product we are getting is also the unit place is 1. For 5 cube also we are getting the unit place as the same number 5. Same way for 6 also, when we multiply it by any positive exponents, then we get the units place as 6. That is, for any base number whose digits are 0, 1, 5 or 6, the unit digit of a number corresponding to any positive exponents remains unchanged. Next, see the second case. For the base ending with 4, the unit digit of the exponent form alternates between 4 and 6. That is, if a number ends with 4 and with any positive exponents, then the unit digit of the expanded will be alternate as either a 4 or 6. 4 can be as a unit digit when the power is odd and 6 is as the unit digit when the power is even. When the power is odd, then the unit digits with the exponents form is 4. When the power is even, then the unit digit is 6. For example, 4 power 1. Here the power is odd. 1 is odd number, that is the power is odd. We get the answer as 4. This is the unit digit. For 4 square, we can write 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Here the exponent is even, so we are getting the unit digit as 6. Same way for 4 cube, again it is odd, but in the product we get the unit digit as 4. Then for 4 power 4, we get the unit digit as 6 since the power is even. That is, when the unit digit is ending with 4, the unit digit in the expanded forms are 4 when it is a power is odd and the unit digit is 6 when the power is even. Same way for base ending with 9, the unit digit expanded form is 9 for odd and 1 is for even number. That is, when the power is odd, the unit digits has unchanged, but the power is even, then the unit digit will be, we get the product as 1. For example, 9 power 1, here the power is odd, we get the unit digit as 9. For 9 cube, we get here also we are getting the unit digit as 9. 9 power 5, we are also getting the unit digit as 9. But when the power is even, for 9 square, 2 is an even, that is 9 into 9, we get the product as 81. Here the unit digit is 1. For 9 power 4 also the unit digit is 1. And the value of 9 power 6 is also the unit digit is 1. Therefore, when a number ending with 9, then unit digit of the expanded form is 9 for odd numbers and 1 for even numbers. Using this, we are going to see some problems from exercise 3.2. Find the unit digit of expanded form. First one, 25 power 23. Here the unit digit is of base is 5. So the expanded form of 25 to the power of 23 unit digit is also 5. Next sum, 11 to the power 10. Here 11 is the base and 10 is the power. The unit digit of base 11 is 1 and the power is 10. When the unit digit is 1, the expanded form of that exponential form is also ends with 1. Therefore, the unit digit of 11 to the power 10 is 1. Let's see one more sum, 29 to the power of 21. Here the base 29 has the unit value as 9 and the power is given as 21. When the unit value is 9, then you have to check the power whether it is an odd or even. If it is an odd number, the unit digits does not change. But if in an even number, the unit digits will change it as 1. Here we are having 21 as the odd number. Therefore, the unit digit of 29 to the power 21 remains unchanged. That is 9. Next sum, 19 to the power 12. Here also for the base, we are having the unit digit as 9. But the power is given as 12. It is an even number. Therefore, the unit digit of 19 to the power 12 is 1. 24 to the power of 25. Same way, when the unit digit ends with 9, like that when the unit digit ends with 4, then you have to see the power if it is odd or even. If it is an odd, the unit digits remains unchanged. If it is even, the unit digits will change it as 6. Here the power is given as 25. Therefore, the unit digits remain same. Therefore, the unit digit of 24 to the power 25 is 4. Here the next sum is 34 power 16. Here also it ends with 4 and the power is given as an even power. Therefore, the unit digit of 34 power 16 is 6. Fourth sum, find the unit digit of the following numeric expression. Here the expression is given. You have to find out the unit digit for this expression. First sum, 114 to the power 20 plus 115 to the power 21 plus 116 to the power 22. You have to find out only the unit digit. So, we are going to find out the unit digit for each term separately. In first one, 114 to the power 20, it ends with 4 and 20 is an even number. Therefore, the unit digit of 114 to the power 20 is 6. The second term, 115 power 21, the unit digit is 5 because the unit digits of the given number is 5. Therefore, the expanded form of that exponential form is also a unit digit as 5. The same way for 116 power 22, the unit digit is 6. When we are and the expression is given as addition, so we are going to add the unit digits of all the three terms. We get the value as 17. Therefore, the unit digit of 114 power 20 plus 115 power 21 plus 116 power 22 is 7. Here the unit digit is 7. Therefore, the value of this expression has the unit digit as 7. Thank you.